Hi Nandini, you can send in the request to join.
Hi, Angel.
Hi Nandini, a very good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you too.
Welcome to your conversation with such a young age.
Your video is pausing, Angel.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Is it clear? We would want to know that how does it feel to have published your book at such a young age?
Of course, it is great. Amazing.
There seems to be a little disturbance.
I just don't know what to say because it's been like 8 to 9 months that I was working on this book, and now that I've published this book, I mean, wow.
So, what led you to writing My 11 Life Percepts? What is the story behind the book?
See, like there is no such story. I mean, I write poetry. Everyone knows it, but yeah, maybe one of my cousin told me that yes, I am capable of it, and I saw it.
Okay,
Yeah, I can write it. So I
that's
just
amazing.
started writing it, and it went.
But still, writing a non fiction book and guiding your fellow teenagers into a smooth adulthood, there might have been a thought process, the reason why you chose this topic.
Yeah, because I think everyone has some problems, right? So I think why to create those problems as such problems? Why
Yeah,
can't we just make them life lessons instead of a problem? You know?
exactly. Well, very well said. Very well said,
Yeah.
Nandini.
So like we never know. This might be a amazing life lesson.
Yeah.
You know. So I just thought of it.
So, how was the
Anyway,
reaction?
but I'm not good with fiction. So if anyone is thinking about fictional story, I'm not good with it. Okay.
But your book is anyways a masterpiece, I must say, and everyone here joining our live must get a copy. It is available in paperback as well as ebook on Kindle and Amazon. So
Mm-hmm.
coming back to you, have you always been into writing, or was it a sudden transition? You felt that writing was your calling. What made you take to writing?
I think when I was in class 10th or 11th, maybe,
All right.
I was very amused with, like poetry and everything. Like,
Okay.
just, a bundle of words can make you feel so good. Wow. Oh
Yeah,
my
yeah.
God. Yeah, so I was just into it, and I thought, I think I should try it. So I just tried it, and then one or two of my friends just said that, yeah, Nandini, this is really nice, and they motivated me with the piece, and I was like, okay, I'll try my best with that. So
That's
just
amazing,
went
and I
live.
completely agree with you that sometimes words have so much power in them that they can pull
Yeah,
us out of the worst of the situations.
yeah, exactly. It's like dreaming in hell, you know.
Yeah,
This
agreed.
is amazing.
Completely agreed. So, how was your parents' reaction
Like I
when
think
they
my
found out
family
that
is
you
not.
published your book?
See, my family is not really expressive in all these things, like
All right.
but yeah, they were like happy. Of course they are happy, they're proud of me, that yes, I
Yes,
did a
yes.
very great job. Like I wrote a book, and that is really worth appreciating.
Exactly.
But they're not like yeah, but you should do it more. They're into uh, some more nice things, more
All right.
expressive things,
Yeah, yeah, I get that.
yeah.
So, what have you planned ahead for you? Like, as for your journey as a writer, what do you see yourself doing in the next 5 years to hone your skills, to maybe bring your work forth to the world again?
I I definitely see an independent author.
All right.
That's it. I just want to answer itna sa about it.
That is a goal enough to become an independent
I
author.
think
A lot
I
of hard
think
work, a lot of dedication is required.
yeah, I think there is no such person who doesn't want to be independent, of course.
Exactly.
We are not born independent, but we have to
Yeah.
earn the respect to be independent, right? So I
Yeah.
think that is the only thing I want to be in my life.
That's amazing. And if I correctly remember, you mentioned that you are working on an upcoming poetry book, right? So can we
Of
know a
course,
little
I
bit about
am.
that as well?
See, it's a imaginative collection of my poetry. I don't
Okay.
write what I have, experienced, but
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think what we imagine is what we create. Okay, so I
All right.
work with the imagination process of my, but I'm not with fiction. I am again saying this. I'm not with fiction. I don't imagine stories. I just imagine poetry to continue with a very widely, mood talk or mood walk. You
Yeah,
know
yeah, I understand that.
so it's about all. It's a collection of poetry which talks about love, lessons, life, and etc. I've not thought about it much, but yeah, I'm just giving a clear thought what I've thought in my mind.
So far, how many poems would you say you've added to that collection that you're going to publish as a book?
I think 5 to 6 I have written,
All
but
right.
not more than that.
And when can our readers, all anticipating the release of your next book, look forward to it? By when should they expect the release of your next book?
I think 2022.
Well, we would definitely be waiting for that. And if you don't mind, is it possible for you to read out a few excerpts of your poetry or a few excerpts from your book, maybe?
Yeah, of course. I would love to read out the a poetry which is mentioned in the my 11 life percepts. If
Yes,
anyone
sure,
has
definitely.
read,
You would love
just
that.
give me a second. Yeah. So like it is from the chapter 6, I guess, which is
All
the
right.
luxury of love. Okay. So
Okay.
it says, love is love, you say. Love is midnight dancing, I say. Love is love, you say. Love is driving me back home, I say. Love is love, you say. Love is asking, did you had lunch? I say. Love is love, you say. Love is respecting my temper, I say. Love is love, you say. Love is mommy, please don't cry, I say. Love is love, you say. Love is bringing favorite shoes for your daughter, I say. Love is love, you say. Love is love. Love is different perspectives, I say. Love is not luxury, you say. Love is having, luxury is having love, I say. So,
It is, it is beautiful, Nandini. It is really beautiful. So, do you have, like, who's your muse? What's your muse when you're writing poetry?
I think for poetry, like I go for Hindi and English both.
All
So,
right.
I think for Hindi, it might be Deepak Ramola. He writes so well and he's so inspiration. Even the life lesson process of idea or everything which is there, I think Deepak Ramola has inspired me a lot. Like
All
the
right.
life lesson thought has he has given me in the mind that yes,
Okay.
even I want to tell everyone that I'm working with the internship project
All
that
right.
stands for Project Fuel, that stands for forwarding the understanding of every life lesson, FUEL,
That's amazing.
so I'm working with
That's
that.
amazing.
And like if they accept me as a employer, something, anything like that,
Yeah, yeah.
I would love to be a partner of them, and I would love to help with the life lessons they are collecting right now with every corner of the world.
That's great. So, like
Yeah.
you told us in the beginning that you had been writing this book for the past, say, around I think 8 9 months, right? So,
Mm-hmm.
while throughout the process of writing the book, while you were writing the book, was there something new that you got to know about yourself or learned about the process of writing?
Of course, there are 11 new life lessons I learned that when I started the book Angel, it was like that I was collecting from other people that what is the greatest piece of advice you can give, or what is your life lesson.
Yeah, yeah,
And when this question was polished into what is your life lesson,
yeah, yeah.
it was all about me. I thought, why shouldn't I answer this?
Exactly.
Like
Yeah,
this is my question. I have to answer it first instead of other people. you know. So I
Exactly.
thought that I should answer this first, and I was amused that I have so many life lessons learned uh, throughout my 19-year-old journey. Okay, so I was like, I will write on my own, not for about others.
That's so incredible that at such a young age you have been able to accumulate your thoughts into such a wonderful book. And once again, I'd urge all the viewers who have joined us right now to buy a copy of Nandini's book, My 11 Life Percepts. It's available on Amazon. So, lastly, I would like to ask Nandini, like for other young writers who are struggling to find their, pace writing, and who are still on their journey to become or publish their first book, is there an advice that you'd like to give them to things they should look out for, or mistakes they can avoid?
Yeah, I would just say that, like, there is just you. There is just you and no one else in this whole world. If you're writing anything, just think about yourself, whether it is your reality, whether it is imagination, whatever it is. But you just have to focus on your things, not about others. Because no one helps you. I have seen this. It might be depressive for some users or some readers or some listeners, but this is the fact of our lives. But that no one is, you have heard that quotation: "No one is you, and that is your power." It says
Yeah,
it
yeah,
all. That like
exactly.
whether it is anyone, whether it is your mother, whether it is your father, anyone, you could only help yourself.
Completely
No
agree.
one else can help you in anything.
That's amazing. That's great, Nandini. It has been really amazing getting into a conversation with you. And personally for me, it has been a ball getting to know a person as talented and as dedicated as you as a writer. And I really look forward to working with you on many of your more projects in the future.
Of course, even I am thinking that I should publish my second book with you only.
We
It has
can't
been such
wait
a
for
great.
it.
That's okay, but I think I should finish it first. Then you could say this.
Yes, you work on that, and if at any point you need our support as a company or my personal support as a writer, I am there for you at all your steps for the for your
Even I'm
journey.
working with even I am planning to work with you in the your some project or of poetry. I
We would
asked you
love that.
first
We would
also.
definitely love
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Even I would love to be a part of it. So ping me up whenever it comes out, or a chance to be a part of that.
Definitely. All right,
Yeah.
Nandini, it has been great talking to you, and
Same here.
all the best for your book. And once again, everyone in the live, please go and check out your book, My 11 Life Percepts. It's
See, here
available
it
on
is.
Amazon.
The cover of the book. You can search it, and you can buy it from Amazon and Kindle. And hope so it will be on
Everyone,
Google Books too. I hope.
really soon we hope that, and
Yeah, yeah.
especially anyone who's just done with school and moving into their college life, looking forward, pacing their way through adulthood, this is your ultimate guide through that.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, everyone, thank you for joining us for the live. Okay, Nandini, it was great talking to you. Bye.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Take care.
Thank you. You too.